Ayan ang lulutuin ko for today, guys. Fish with kangkong and tomato. What's this? Ginger and onion. Okay? Nakaraan, guys, si Brim. Today, I don't know this kind of fish. Kuha mo na akong tanglad doon sa balcony. Guys, mag-harvest ako ng tanglad sa tira. Ayan, mag-harvest tayo dito. Ayan na, guys, ang harvest ko. Okay? Ayan, guys, lagay na natin yung tanglad. Yung na-harvest ko doon sa balcony. Ginger. Yes. Lagay natin ng asin, guys.
Kakwat, hindi naman kakwat ko yung nasa balkon mo.
Hindi. Sa ano yan sila sa big space. Lagay natin yung asin. Guys, kulong-kulo na. Lagyan natin yung isda. Lagyan natin ang seasoning. Ayan, takpan na natin, guys. Pakuluin muna natin, okay? Guys, tingnan natin. Oh, wow, kulong-kulo siya. Sabi, guys, pag lumabas na yung mata, luto na. Ayan. So, lagyan na natin ang ating gulay. Ayan, lagyan natin kangkong natin, guys. Okay? More on vegetable tayo and fish. All the time. Vegetable and fish with soup. Ayan. That's it, guys. Konting kulot na lang. Wow, sabaw. We will check fish with kangkong and tomato with ginger and sarap. Yummy, yummy. That's it, guys. Simple cooking. Simple menu, guys. Yummy. Yala. That's it. Bye. Thank you for watching. God bless. Bye. Happy Islamic New Year for everyone. Bye, guys.
Thank you.